on the show.
Soumya gets irritated.
Kabir plays with string.
Soumya fake slaps Kabir.
Kabir calls his dad for money.
Let's go. Let's go.
आप देख रहे हैं कबीर और सौम्या को। इसका मतलब समय हो गया है हाउ टू का।
कभी कभी इसका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है.
शट अप कबीर, गेट टू द पॉइंट।
The point is you've just received a pink slip.
पिंक स्लिप माने?
Pink slip means a glorified version of telling a person कि you are not needed.
Oh,
in
like
the
fire
organ.
types.
Exactly.
अच्छा, okay, continue.
So you just received a pink slip.
हाँ,
You own an iPhone.
हाँ.
You don't have money to buy those apps which are there on iPhone. You want to switch to Android. Now, how do you go about switching?
Oh my God, Kabir. मतलब get to the point. Basically, we are going to tell you how to switch from an iPhone to an Android with the most amount of ease. It was that simple.
कोई इसको pink slip दो यार.
हाँ, कोई इसको पिंक स्लिप दो। कबीर,
Yes.
name some brand wars.
Nike versus Adidas, Coke versus Pepsi, घर का खाना versus बाहर का
That's
खाना.
not a brand.
Okay, sorry. iOS versus Android.
Yes, that's the one that I am interested in. And did you know, by the way, I love did you knows? Anyway, did you know that Eric Schmidt, ex-Google CEO, came out with a 900-page guide to switching from an iPhone to an Android?
Wow, I'm not ever reading that.
Yeah, it's
900 pages.
really long.
That's long.
Okay, wait, let me finish my did you know. Then, did you know, after that, Apple took out a website in which they did switching from Android to iPhone.
And
God,
how long was that?
it's long. It's long.
Not reading that one either.
Okay, but we're going to cut it short and we're going to tell you how to switch from iPhone
iOS to Android.
Very
yes.
confused you are by that.
Yeah, I was because of those 900 pages of
So,
the shop.
then how do we start?
First things first.
You will need laptop with iTunes, iPhone, Android phone, Gmail account.
Content that you must have on your new Android: contacts and emails, calendar, apps, photos and videos, music, text messages.
Now there are two ways to go about this. The one that I really like is going towards the cloud.
Okay, and the one that I really like is old school. So we are going to be doing. No, shush, there are no buts in it. I rule. Old school, effective, simple, and here's how you do it.
Chalo beta school chale.
If you own an Android phone now, having a Gmail account is a must. Believe us, it makes life so easy. Now, Kabir and I started the switch with the most important content: contacts. One way to transfer was to sync iPhone address book, then sync that with Gmail account. Oh my God, were we frustrated trying to do that? After an hour, we gave up. At this point, Kabir tried to convince me to use the Google Plus app to do this, but I refused to use Google Plus. I have my limitations. Finally, after a lot of back and forth and trying many things, we settled on this being the best way. Pay close attention, these are pearls of wisdom indeed. Sync your iPhone to your Gmail account. Sync your new Android to your Gmail account. Doing neither is difficult. Once done, automatically contacts, emails and calendar will transfer onto your new Android. It's that easy and hassle-free. Not to mention, once this content is synced with your Gmail account, you have a ready backup at your disposal. Wait, we are not done yet. This method is like killing many birds with one stone because your apps can transfer as well. Yes, you heard that right. You can carry your apps to your new Android with just one click. After that basic setup was done, the rest of it was a breeze. Photo and videos are always next in line after contacts. I for one cannot do without my photos, and it's so very simple to make this switch. Plug your iPhone into your computer or any computer. With your own computer, chances are it's synced, the photos will automatically be read, compiled and saved. If it is not your own, iPhone will be read as an external hard drive, as in our case. Open the photo folder, copy the photos and paste them onto a new folder onto your desktop. Plug your Android, copy paste the photo or video from the folder created on your desktop. Did we hear you say ridiculously easy? Yeah, it is. Contacts? Check. Photos? Check. Music? As easy. All your music will be stored on iTunes if you are an iPhone owner. Create a music folder on your desktop, drag and drop the songs you want to transfer into the freshly created folder. Connect your new Android, drag and drop music files from the folder onto your Android to enjoy your new phone. One can also use Google Music Manager. It can transfer iTunes Music Library onto itself via Gmail. But unfortunately, it's currently not available in India. Last but not the least, text messages. To be honest, this process deserves a how-to in itself. It is not easy and there is no simple way of doing this. But if you must, here are some things we tried that did work. First and foremost, turn off iMessage. iMessage is Apple-only service and those texts will not transfer unless they are green in color. Now, method 1 is go to the thread, tap on the text. This will give you options, one of them being more. In that, tap forward. This will turn it into a new text. In the address bar, write your email ID and mail it. From your mail, you can transfer it onto your Android. Phew! So very tedious. The other is to use apps like iSMS to Droid, which is also very tedious. And honestly, we were not up for that challenge. We decided we could live without our text messages.